The truth about cats has been hidden for centuries, but today we expose them. In the shadows of every home, a silent predator watches, waiting, calculating. Tonight, we uncover the truth. Exhibit A, the so-called gift. Scientists confirm this is 0% love, 100% psychological warfare. Case file number 742. Subject Mittens left this offering on the victim's bed. Note the deliberate placement, a clear message of dominance. Exhibit B, the unblinking stare. Is it cute? No. It's a power move. They're calculating your weaknesses. Lab tests confirm prolonged eye contact triggers unease in 98% of humans. Coincidence or conditioning? Exhibit C, the belly. A forbidden button. 100% of victims regret pressing it. Coincidence? No. Premeditated. This playful behavior mirrors ancient hunting tactics. The belly? Bait. The scratches? A warning. Exhibit D. Sleep deprivation. Classic torture tactic. Wake up exhausted, and they've already won.
Look, man, I've seen things. Cats, they're basically tiny KGB. That's all I'm legally allowed to say.
The evidence is clear. Your cat isn't a pet, it's a tiny furry dictator. And you're just their unpaid servant. Buy a dog. Burn the cat treat stockpiles. Most importantly, smash that like button before they delete this video. Stay vigilant. Subscribe for more uncomfortable truths. And maybe sleep with one eye open.